Good morning everyone, this is As Mohammad Khan and I welcome you in today's segment student. In our previous segment, we have discussed about the reflection, concave mirror, convex mirror and plane mirror student. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is refraction. Now what is reflection student? When the light falls on the particular object, then from there it is reflected back, it is bounced back. And that phenomena, bouncing back of the light, is known as reflection. But what is refraction student? Refraction, in the refraction there is no bouncing back of the light. Means the bouncing back of the light is not found in the refraction. In this what happen? Only the light rays, means the incident rays, are deviated from their path. They change their direction. And that deviation of the light rays is known as diffraction. So what definition you will write for the deviation of the light or the refraction? It is when the light rays, means when the light rays are passed from one medium to another, then they are deviated or they change their direction. That is known as refraction. And in the refraction student, there is bending of light takes place. Means light change their direction. Like there are the two medium, air medium and water medium. And air and water medium are considered as transparent medium. Means they can pass the light, but their density are differ from each other. Now what is density? The presence of the particles per unit volume. So that presence of the particle is differ per unit volume. So that is known as density. So density, due to the difference in between the density, the speed of the light is increased or decreased. And due to increasing or decreasing the speed of the light, there is the deviation or there is the change in the direction of the light takes place, and that phenomena is known as diffraction. Like I have written the speed of light here. Speed of light in vacuum and air is 3 multiplied 10 power 8 meter per second. It is in vacuum and air. And the speed of the light in water is 2.25 multiplied 10 power 8 meter per second. And speed of light in glass, it is 2 multiplied 10 power 8 meter per second. So here the change in the speed of the light, and why is this change is taking place? It is due to the presence of the particles. Means the particles presence is differ medium to medium, differ to transparent, medium to medium. That's why there is deviation of the light takes place. Here the refraction definition I have written here. So this definition you can learn: the phenomena of bending of light, the phenomena of bending of light as it passes from one medium to another. Means when the light is passed from one transparent medium to another transparent medium, then they are deviated from their path, and that deviation of the path or that changing in the direction of the rays of the light is known as refraction. There are refraction takes place according to the medium student. So here I have written denser to rarer and rarer to denser. Means when the light rays comes from denser to rarer, then they are deviated from their path. But in this, they move away from the normal. But when the light rays comes from rarer to denser, then that incident rays are refracted and they move towards the normal. In this, like I have written here, this is the interface student where the medium is changed, and this boundary line is known as interface. So when the light rays, like this is the light rays, and we call it incident ray. This line is known as normal. It is normal. So light should be passed straight, but it is not passed straight. It is deviated from its path and it moves away from the normal. It moves away from the normal, student, like this. And this ray is known as refracted ray. What we call it? It is known as refracted ray. So here the refraction takes place because the water have which type of medium, student? It has denser medium, denser, and air have rarer medium, rarer. So due to the difference in between the medium density, the light rays are deviated from their path, and this deviation of the light rays from its path is known as refraction. So this type of refraction takes place when the light passes from denser to rarer medium. Now what is denser? I have told you, if the particles are very close to each other, then that particular medium is known as denser. If the particles are found very far from each other, that particular medium is known as rarer. Now we come on the next. If the light rays comes from rarer to denser medium, then what happens? Rarer to denser. Like the light rays are coming from the air. It is incident ray. Here I have drawn one normal. This is normal. Now here the light rays should be moved like this, but what will be happen? They will move, means the incident ray will move towards the normal here. So when the light incident ray, in this incident ray comes from denser to rarer, then they move away from the normal, and when the light rays comes from rarer to denser, then they move near to the normal, move towards the normal. So this type of refraction is found, and the ray that comes from one medium, the first ray is known as incident ray. This ray is known as incident ray. And which angle they make? They make refracted ray angle. It is they make incident ray angle. And when they are refracted, then they make refracted ray angle. And this ray is known as refracted ray. This ray, refracted. It is refracted ray. So incident ray, refracted ray, incident ray angle, and refracted ray angle. About this you will learn. When the light rays come from the denser to rarer, then they move, means the refracted ray move away from the normal, and if the light rays come from rarer to denser, then the refracted ray move towards the normal. In this, refracted ray move away, but in this the refracted ray come towards the normal. So it is about the refraction, student. Now, refraction is found due to the change in the density, and due to the change in the density, the speed of the light is also changed, and due to that change of the speed of the light, refraction takes place. So what are the main reasons to change the direction of the light? It is the density of the medium. If the medium density is less, student, then that medium is known as rarer medium. If the density is more, then that medium is known as denser medium, student. So denser medium have the more density, means there are the more particles are found, and those particles are close to each other, and due to having that particular closeness, they have the deviation in the light rays. Means light rays are deviated from those particles, and it will be deviated more, due to which the light rays comes near to the normal student. So it is about the refraction. Now in the next we will discuss about the laws of refraction. Laws of refraction, student. There are the two laws of refraction, student. There are two laws of refraction. First is, it is similar to first law of reflection, student, but in the place of reflected ray, what we will speak? We will speak refracted ray. Means first law of refraction is incident ray, refracted ray, and the normal all lie on the same plane. It is the first law of refraction. Next, second example, second law of refraction, student. Incident ray angle and the refracted ray angle remains constant. Means sin I upon sin R remains constant, and that constant is equal to refractive index. So what is the refractive index? It is the ratio of speed of the light in air upon speed of the light in particular medium, and this refractive index can be also written like this: n for refractive index is equal to sin I upon sin R. Sin I is representing the angle, means incident ray angle. Sin R is representing refracted ray angle, and it can be also written like this: C upon V. Here the C for speed of the light in air or vacuum, V for speed of the light in a particular medium. It may be air medium, it may be water medium, it may be glass medium. So it depends on the particular medium that light is passing from which medium. So it is about the laws of refraction, student. Now you will try to learn about the refraction and the laws of refraction. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.